Hello friends, I am Dr. Sonal Santosh Chandak, Professor, Department of Commerce, Shrimati Kesharbai Lahoti Mahavidyalaya, Amravati, Maharashtra. Friends, in this presentation, we are going to discuss on one of the very important elements of cost in the statement of cost, that is labor. Friends, as we know, there are three important elements: material, labor, and expenses, whether they are direct or indirect. But they are most important because without them, production is impossible. Naturally, the way we discuss about material, we should discuss and give equal importance for the discussion of labor. So let's discuss on labor. Friends, labor or manpower represents human resources used in production. After material cost, labor cost is the second major element of cost, because once we bring in the material for production, we are bringing in labor for the initiation of the production. So it is the second major and most important element of cost. In spite of large-scale use of machinery and advanced technology in manufacturing, role of labor in the production cannot be underestimated. And so, significant is the role of labor that productivity of all other resources depends on the productivity of the human resources. In other words, higher efficiency of labor helps in lowering the cost per unit of production. And there is therefore a special need for proper organization of accounting and control of the labor cost. Friends, on the basis of expending this particular expenditure on the production, there are two types of labor. One is direct labor and the other is indirect labor. On the basis of their association with the production, they are either treated as direct labor or they are treated as indirect labor or indirect wages. So let's go into the details of what is direct labor and what is indirect labor. Friends, let us discuss in detail about the direct labor. Direct labor is the cost which is expended in altering construction, consumption, composition or condition of the product. Means converting the raw material into the final product, the production phase in which the human resources are involved, they are all the part and parcel of the direct labor. It means it is directly engaged in the production work and can be conveniently identified or attributed wholly to a particular job or a process or cost unit. Friends, wages of a machine operator is a direct labor cost. Similarly, in a factory manufacturing ready-made garments, wages paid to the tailor is a direct wage. Now, who are the part of indirect labor and what do we mean by indirect labor? Friends, indirect labor cost, on the other hand, is the wage paid to those workers or those human resources who are not directly engaged in converting the raw material into the finished goods. However, though they are not engaged in the converting of the raw material into finished goods, still, they are equally important because they are the support system to the main production stream. So naturally, though they are not directly involved in the production, but still they are equally important, because with the help of them or with the facilitation of these indirect labor, friends, the production can smoothly be continued. So indirect labor are not actually directly engaged in the production, but they are the facilitators to the ones who are doing the actual production work. Such costs cannot be conveniently or easily identified with a particular job, product, or cost unit. Supervisors, inspectors, clerks, instructors, peons, watchmen, and cleaners. These are some of the examples of indirect workers. To these people, when we are paying either wage or the salary, this is the indirect labor. Friends, in this presentation, we try to know the meaning of labor as one of the very important element of cost. Secondly, we try to identify the types of labor. This is because we should be in a position to bifurcate the direct labor from the indirect labor, and we can comfortably make the direct labor as the part of prime cost and indirect labor either the part of the factory cost or the other cost. Thank you so much.